Hi everyone. So in this video, I will be talking about multiple hirings, processes and updates. First of all, we will start with Amazon. After Amazon, we will talk about Zensar. After Zensar, we have some hirings. So we will be talking about that. Okay. Starting with Amazon. So for Amazon, I think before 3 to 4 months, they conducted a big hiring for SD1 in which many candidates got the assessments and then interviews. Okay, they have conducted the interviews. We already know about Amazon company. For SD1 position, they offer around 44 to 45 LPA, and definitely it's a very big company. We all know about it. Again, as I mentioned, they started their phases. So last week, some candidates got the mail from Amazon. And this week, if you can see here, today also, one candidate share SD1 online assessment invitation. Thank you for interest in software development engineer opportunity at Amazon. We are excited to move forward for the next step in the application process. Okay. Again, they have continued the hiring with the new phases for Amazon Software Development 1, Amazon University Talent Acquisition. See, if you have previously applied for this, you can withdraw your application. After withdraw, you can reapply for this. Okay, so I would suggest if you have applied previously for this, you can withdraw and reapply. But if you have given your assessment in the last 6 months, they will not send you assessment again. But if you have not given the assessment in last 6 months, please do reapply, because again they are sending the mails to the students. Maybe you will get a chance to give the assessment of Amazon. Okay, and requirements you can see here. Definitely 2025 batch is eligible to participate. 2026 batch also can try to apply in this. Okay, so definitely try for this. Next opportunity we have, that is from Zensar. So Zensar, I posted the hiring on 28th also, and I said that now they have again started their mass phases. So again, if you can see here, today is the 30th of December. Again, today they have the tests. Okay, so again, they will be sending some more phases, and the hiring opportunities is still open for which you can apply. Again, they have continued their phases. Next update we have, that is from IBM. So IBM is also continuing their phases for CIC hiring. Today also some candidates will be having their exam. Okay, if you have applied for IBM in future, if you have not received the mail till now, you will definitely receive in future. Next update we have from Oodles. So recently they have opened the hiring opportunity. From this opportunity also, they are sending the test mails. So many candidates got the test mail from this one, which is assistant consultant development for Gurgaon. They have posted this opportunity 4 days before, and today some candidates got the mail from this one from Oodles for assistant consultant development. The pay package is 3 LPA. Profile is Joho developer. All the requirements you can see here. Okay, now we have a next opportunity that is from that I want to talk about is from Upgrad. So Upgrad, many candidates have appeared for the assessment. So many candidates yesterday and today got the results, and this is the round two mail which candidates got, which is writing and speech assessment. Dear candidate, this is to inform you that writing and speech assessment for the training and hiring opportunity with a leading global IT consultant organization is scheduled for tomorrow, which is 31st of December. The assessment link will be already shared with you. So this is the second round of Upgrad. Many candidates start receiving the round two results. Next opportunity we have, that is, if you can see here, that is from Painways. So Painways is hiring for freshers Java support. So you can directly mail your resume on this email ID. Next opportunity we have, that is from Tech Mahindra. So Tech Mahindra is hiring for international chat process Noida, and if you can see here, the pay package is 3.2 to 4.5. They have so many openings for Noida, and if you can see here, you can directly contact the HR on this email ID. Okay. HR name is Sneha Thakur. Previously, also she conducted very big hirings. So I hope this one is also big. So you can directly reach out to her on this email ID. Okay. So I'll be putting out the links in the description so you can apply. Thank you so much for watching.